In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook events to Google Calendar. We're going to bring your Facebook events into Google Calendar using a simple web link. This method sets up a read-only connection, often called a feed, so events you can access on Facebook will appear in Google Calendar automatically over time. Before we start, make sure you have the events URL from Facebook copied to your clipboard. It's the link Facebook provides to share or export your events as a calendar feed. If you already have that URL, you're ready to go. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Using the desktop version makes this process straightforward and ensures you can see all the options we'll use. Once Calendar loads, look over to the left sidebar where your calendars are listed. Find the section labeled Other Calendars. Hover there and click the small plus icon beside it. This opens a menu of ways to add calendars from different sources. You might see options like Browse Calendars of Interest, Import, and others. For our purpose, choose from URL. This option tells Google Calendar to subscribe to a calendar that lives on the web, which is exactly what that Facebook events link is. A field will appear asking for the calendar URL. Paste the Facebook events URL you copied earlier into this box. Double check that there aren't any extra spaces before or after the link, because even small typos can prevent the feed from loading. When the URL looks good, click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will create a new calendar under Other Calendars and start pulling in your Facebook events. The first sync can take a minute or two and sometimes longer depending on the size of the feed. Don't worry if you don't see everything instantly. Refresh after a bit and the events should populate. This subscription is read only, which means you'll view the events in Google Calendar, but any changes like RSVPs or edits must be done on Facebook. Google also controls how often it refreshes the feed, so updates may not appear immediately. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Only events you have permission to view on Facebook will sync. Private or restricted events may not show. If nothing appears, confirm the URL is the correct feed link and that it's accessible. If times look off, check your Google Calendar time zone settings. And if you ever no longer need the feed, you can manage or remove it from your calendar list later. That's it. You've connected Facebook events to Google Calendar.